My name's Henry, and I'm a PhD student studying Ecology and Evolutionary Biology at Princeton University. I was absolutely shocked and thrilled to hear that I would be this year's SES Explorer while I'm here in the field right now. And I'm beyond grateful to the SES for their support and for supporting the type of science that all the explorers are doing to try and understand some of our most pressing environmental, social issues that are going on in the world right now. Our expedition will take place in Gorongosa National Park, Mozambique. And Gorongosa is a really special place. Once devastated by the civil war in Mozambique, park managers have completely restored the park here. They've recovered herbivore levels to pre-war, and they're now reintroducing predators into a system that completely lost predators, essentially, during the war. And so our expedition will be a collaboration with Mozambican vets, scientists, and rangers to track and capture to GPS collar antelope in remote areas of the park. We're hoping that this can help us understand the important role that predators play by studying herbivore behavior before and after they're reintroduced to Gorongosa. So I'm beyond excited and very grateful for the SES for supporting this expedition, and I'm excited to share this journey with you. So stay tuned to learn more about our expedition coming up next year.